Okay, today's vlog is papunta po tayo sa Sulvec Earthfill Dam. Dito lang sa Pasuquin Ilocos Norte. Shout out sa inyo mga bikers, ride safe.
And if I ever forget to tell you how I feel.
Oh, ayun nga. Ang lalaking mga bato pero go pa rin. Kayang-kaya yan. Ayun, slow down lang tayo guys. Mahirap may slide. Guys, andito na tayo. See the beauty of Sulvec Dam.
Every corner in me, yeah, there's your presence that grows beyond the dream, by saying how I feel, but I didn't mean it before. I want you to the world. I want you to take me home. I'm falling. Love me long. I'm rolling. Losing control. My body and soul. Want to for sure. I'm already yours. Walk you down the morning. Hold you tight. You calling. I'll take control. My body and soul. Want to for sure. I'm already yours. That'd be alright. Would that be alright? I want you to the pool. So bad I can't breathe. Oh no, I want you to the pool. Maybe we see the sun.